Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this personalized Grinch sign for less than $15. All you really need is Walgreens and some foam board. And keep in mind that this project will not be weather resistant, so make sure your sign will be protected from the elements. You can find this Grinch image everywhere online. Just Google Grinch Hand. I did edit this image by bringing the ornament closer to his hand. So if you want to use this image, I will post the link in the description so you can download it. You will need an editing app. I'm using Canva, which is what I use for all my thumbnails and other things, but it isn't free. So you can use any free editing app you have. Also, keep in mind that sometimes resizing a PNG file, it can become very pixelated. So try to find an image that is a good size and won't require too much resizing. I also downloaded a Grinch font that I'm using for the center of the ornament. I'll also post the link in the description to the font I used. So for this ornament, I'm going to put the hazes in the center, and I'm going to add it one letter at a time just so I can adjust it the way that I want. Once I'm done, I'm going to download and save it to my computer. Next, I'm going to the photo section on the Walgreens website, and I'm going to print my Grinch image out on a 16 by 20 poster. And your best bet is to catch them during a sale. Right now they have 60% off going on through November 4th, but it seems like they are constantly having sales, so make sure you check the website. So I'm going to select my image and continue to check out. Here's what it looks like printed out, and now I'm going to use my Exacto knife to cut out my image. You can use scissors if you want. It was just my personal preference to use my Exacto knife. Once I have that cut out, I'm going to glue it to my foam board. I'm using foam board from Walmart. Dollar Tree does have foam board, and you can use that, but the quality of the Walmart foam board is a lot better and it cuts better in my opinion. And while this dries, I'm going to add some weight on top of it just to help it lay flat. After about an hour to dry, I'm going to use my Exacto knife and cut the foam board around my image. I'm going over a few spots to clean it up a bit. Then I'm going to use a black Sharpie to color the sides of the foam board black and the sides of the image since there are some white spots. Be careful if you use a Sharpie so you don't end up like me and accidentally make a mark on your Grinch finger. Lastly, I'm using a piece of Dollar Tree ribbon and I'm going to attach that to the back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos and DIYs. Thank you so much for watching.